Hey everybody, this is Jake Jones here with MarineMax, Texas Mastercraft here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today we're going to cruise through a 2023 Mastercraft NXT 22. The NXT is the entry-level for Mastercraft, but it is not entry-level options on this boat. You have all the same quality of what you expect from Mastercraft, just a little bit simpler operations for all those beginners or somebody looking for that entry-level boat. So before we hop inside, we'll check out the transom for a second here. We do have the new option for 2023, the swim step. Easy to deploy, easy to tuck back away. And then here you have your bench seat. This is a great spot to just hang out, or if you're a wakeboarder, great spot to put your boots on here as well. Cup holders integrated into the swim deck as well while you guys are out there floating. So inside the cockpit here, you'll see that we do have the gray cool feel interior all the way through. As you see here, we have our reversible seat deployed. Great spot to sit while you're watching the riders behind you. And up top, you'll see we have the Z6 tower with twin JL audio cans. And as always, the standard clamping board racks for your surfboards and wakeboards. So up here in the bow of the boat, this is a pickle fork boat from the NXT 22. So you have a little extra beam up here, extra room, storage underneath both sides, as well as your dedicated anchor storage center line of the boat. Great spot to hang out with cup holders up here and all the amenities you guys need. So up here at the helm, you'll see we do have our JL audio head unit here, Bluetooth capable. On the right side is going to be your digital screen. That's going to be for all your operations, whether that's wakeboarding, surfing, or skiing. Your presets are in there. Just click a button, load them up, and you guys are ready to ride. Thank you guys for checking out this NXT 22 with me today. If you guys have any questions, hop on to MarineMax.com. Check out all of our other Mastercraft inventory, as well as our other great manufacturers. While you're there, check out other reasons to buy from MarineMax, whether that's competitive in-house financing, our awesome pro shop, or Getaways. There are tons of great reasons to buy from MarineMax. If you guys have any additional questions, contact me, Jake Jones, at 682-282-9969. Thank you.